Placed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Please unplug your devices from the sockets. They must also be switched off and unplugged. A member of crew for some help.
Anne, dearest, at your age one can't be too choosy.
Hand baggage must be placed under the seat in front of you, or carefully above in an overhead locker, so it doesn't block any aisles or exits.
Just one moment. Please check your seatbelt is fastened securely and worn whenever the seatbelt signs.
If the air supply fails, oxygen will be provided and masks will appear automatically. If you are wearing a face mask, please remove it before putting on the oxygen mask. Stay in your seat, pull the oxygen mask towards you and place it over your mouth and nose and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note, the bag may not inflate. You may need to pull on a coloured streamer to release your mask.
And strap around your waist. Secure the clip to the buckle and pull tight. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. And the air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. There is a light for attracting attention. Please do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside of the aircraft. Ray, would you do it again?
Should we need to evacuate, move quickly to the nearest usable exit, taking nothing.
Heathrow Terminal 5, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. A special welcome to those customers returning from our executive club and those joining from our World Alliance partners. I do have a fantastic and highly experienced cabin crew team joining me, including Lizzie, our flight lead, who will be leading our World Traveller and World Traveller Plus cabin. So, in the interest of safety, we invite you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. If you are planning to achieve any rest on today's flight, we do ask you to place your seatbelt over any duvets or blankets. including all data services on your handheld electronic devices. And please do check that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. So if your journey ends here at London to Heathrow, then please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. And on arrival for a smoother journey through the UK border, please be ready with all your documentation. Please also make sure you use the e-gates if you meet that criteria as displayed in the passport control area. Staff will be available to assist you if required. And if you are connecting on to the flight from London to Heathrow today, then please use the information screens for your departing gate number. If it's not yet displayed, then please follow the purple signs to flight connections. If you require additional assistance at London to Heathrow, then please do